In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how we're gonna restore these $2,000 wheels by removing all this chipping paint and install them on this BMW 435i. We picked up a full set of these M Sport rims for this BMW 435i for literally $200, and they actually retail for $1,000 to $2,000 for an entire set. The only issue is that the previous owner tried painting them himself and obviously did not prep them at all. So the paint started to flake off and it just overall looks terrible. But once we go ahead and remove all this paint, these things will look brand new. They're actually a great style rim and overall will make this BMW 435i look a lot more aggressive. Without further ado, let's go ahead and remove all this flaking paint and make these things look brand new. So inside this container, we actually have lacquer thinner. This is not glass cleaner. You can find it anywhere, but it basically strips off any paint as soon as it gets sprayed onto any surface. And now we're basically gonna go ahead and spray the entire wheel and start removing all this paint. So yeah, the best method is to really spray on this lacquer thinner just like this, and then just wait for the paint to bubble just like this. So you can see that's starting to bubble up and start to rubberize and look like it's gonna peel. And then from there, we can literally just start wiping it off. And you can see that's coming off really easily. And then just continue to do that area by area, spoke by spoke across the entire wheel. Sweet, so these things cleaned up extremely well, removed all the crusty looking chipping paint on the top. And you can see we still have some in the little corners here, but we're gonna go ahead and hit that with a final pass around. These 403Ms look extremely good. They're definitely gonna make this 435i look a lot more aggressive. The stock wheels don't look bad by any means, but they definitely don't look the most aggressive. They don't do this car a lot of justice, especially with the aggressive front end, the little fender slats here. I think these are just gonna look a lot better. They're also 19, so they're gonna be 1 inch bigger than what's on it right now. And these wheels definitely remind me of the E92 M3 wheels because they have that like chamfered face to them. They're extremely shiny. So we can go ahead and hit it with some polish, and I think these will clean up really well. $2,000 wheels for 200 bucks. All they needed was some elbow grease. And now, yeah, we're gonna do a final pass and remove all this little excess paint. So we got all the paint off, and as you guys can see, they look a million times better. Before, they're all crusty and flaking. Looks really good. We got these new tires mounted on. You can see we have some Michelin Pilot Sport all seasons. Let's go ahead and install these things and see how they look. And a tiny little detail, anytime you're putting new wheels on a car, grab your little BMW caps, especially if they're M Sport wheels and they have the little badge, and make sure they're centered just like that, because that looks a lot more clean than having like the BMW upside down, the M down here. This just looks really uniform and clean. And as you guys can see, the wheels are fully installed now. We went ahead and mounted them. They are completely clean, and you really can't even see any of the black paint that was on before. They look a million times better than the wheels that were on before. They look way more aggressive. And them being 19s, they definitely fill in the wheel arches a lot better. I mean, really look how good that looks. They're a huge upgrade from the wheels that were on before. And to get a $2,000 set for only 200 bucks, and the only thing we had to do was remove the flaking paint, I definitely think that was worth every cent. That is how you remove old flaking paint off your vehicle's wheels to make them look brand new. And maybe in the future you see a set of really nice wheels that have just really cruddy paint on them, and now you guys know how to restore them and make them look brand new. If you like this video, if you like the way these wheels look, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all, and as always, I'll have the links down below for all the products I use. See y'all in the next video. Peace out.